Welcome to this guide on installing the AMK air suspension compressor for the Mercedes-Benz GL Class X164 or ML Class W164. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance, so let's walk through the steps to ensure a successful setup. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead. Lift the vehicle and remove the front wheel. Next, remove the wheel well liner to expose the vehicle's air suspension compressor. Locate and disconnect the two electrical connectors from the compressor. Also locate and slowly remove the airline from the compressor. Then remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard. Now locate the larger rubber hose leading to the compressor and pinch and slide the hose clamp off of the air fitting. Remove the air hose. Locate and remove the three mounting nuts so you're able to remove the compressor from the vehicle. Remember that the factory isolators will be reused in the installation process. The removal is now complete. Do not remove the air fitting from the air suspension compressor. Doing so may cause damage and void warranty. Remove the white shipping pin from the new air fitting and insert the airline until fully seated. To start the installation process, first install the saved factory isolators onto the compressor. Next, install the compressor into the vehicle and reinstall the three mounting nuts. Reinstall the larger rubber air hose onto the compressor. Now reinstall the airline. Reinstall the two electrical connectors, followed by the wheel well liner and the wheel. Lower the vehicle to complete the installation process. Thank you for following our guide. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.